when I teach to the students, if somebody goes by my door, then all the students, their heads, they are looking at the doors, Even small things can distract you. Because you are one single person, you do not notice this very obviously. But for me, when I look at the students, number of the students, when you turn your head to that direction, everybody turn that direction, then it is very obvious to me. Isn't that? So it is like that. So the single noise, small noise can distract us. Because we are not trained meditator. We are not trained meditator. We are beginner right now. Okay, so morning, there is the less noise. Maybe even your roommates is sleeping. You can do meditation. Okay, this is very important. And another thing that, when you do meditation, don't do it too long. Maybe you can start from the 2 minutes. If you think that you can do the 2 minutes meditation very good, then you can add 1 more minutes, like 3 minutes, then 4 minutes, then 5 minutes, then 7 minutes, 10 minutes, like that. Okay, right from the beginning, if you do meditation for 1 hour or half an hour, then you feel that, meditation is very tough. It's a big challenge for me. Then you will discontinue. Okay, so do it with very short period of time. Start with very easy, very small step, baby step. If you do it, then you will improve yourself. You will feel that, I can do it. Then you will develop an interest to do it again and again. Okay, so do it with a simple step, baby step. It's very important to you. Then, second factor is the place. It would be nice if you can do the meditation in a silent place. Okay, some students, I was told that, if you do meditation, your roommate is, mocking at you. They are, what happened? He is doing meditation. They were saying such a thing like this, Today what happened to him? He is doing a meditation. What day is today? They are saying such a thing like that. Don't discourage the people. We, like Eastern people, especially this Asian, we have a very bad habit to discourage other peoples. It's not good. Yeah.
Can I leave with a
Sure.
Sorry.
Yeah, it's okay. Then third is a diet. Your food. Okay, food is very important. Your food. If you eat too much food, then you might fall asleep. Okay, it's not good. And if you eat very less food, it is not good for your health. So you have to take a moderate. You have to take a certain amount of the food. Not too much, not too less. And especially, it would be nice if you don't take a heavy food like meat. Because if you take a heavy foods, then it will make your body heavier. Then again, you might feel sleepy when you do meditation. It is not good. I'm not telling that, vegetarian is the best. I'm not saying that. And when I go to the Indian institution, many people are asking me, do the monks eat the meat, Yes, there are many monks, they are eating meats. And Buddha did not prohibit monks to eat the meat. Okay, why the Buddha didn't do it? Because when the Buddha's lifetime, not only the Buddha's lifetime, even today, monks, if you go to the Sri Lanka, Thailand, all these monks, they are going for alms. Alms means they are begging the foods. Okay, so monks, they don't have a kitchen. They are going and begging the foods. So whatever the food is offered by the family, you have to accept it. You have monks, you have no position. You have no position to demand that I need that kind of food or this kind of food. Okay, whatever you have received the food, you have to accept it. So that's why monks can enjoy the non-vegetarian food. But I am a pure vegetarian, okay? But some people, they are claiming or they are pretending that, if you are vegetarian means you are a very good person. It's not like that. I was told that, Hitler was a vegetarian, but he killed the human being, not only the one human being. Maybe if you look at the Second World War, maybe 6 million people were killed because of him. Isn't that? But he was a vegetarian. And if you look at the Buddha's uncle, his name is Devdutt. And he tried to kill Buddha so many times. In Tibetan, we called him Dulhajin. So he tried to kill Buddha so many times. But he was a vegetarian also. So if you are vegetarian doesn't mean that you are a good person, It's not like that, So monks, they have to accept whatever it is offered to them. Okay. Then sleeping is very important to the meditation. If you did not get a good amount of the sleep in the night, then next day, I'm sure you will definitely sleep in the classroom, yeah.
Actually, like I used to sleep by 4 and wake up by 7:30, regular.
4?
Midnight 4.
Midnight 4?
And get up by 7:30.
7:30. Is it enough for you? You sure?
Yeah, I won't get sleep during classes.
Maybe some exceptional, who knows that? Yeah, maybe. But I'm talking about the generally. Okay.
Like, one thing I heard also, like you said timings, right? Can I do by 3:30 to 4?
No, you can do meditation anytime.
Can I go for sleep?
We are saying that morning time is the best. Doesn't mean that, you cannot do meditation in the afternoon or in the evening.
No, like after meditation, can I go for sleep?
Yeah, you can do that. No problem. I always do meditation before I go to sleep. And it truly helps me to take a good sleep. Because once you calm your mind, before you go to the sleep, if your mind is very disturbed, then you cannot take a good sleep. Yeah. So if you do meditation, then it will help you to calm your mind. Once you are able to calm your mind and you are able to maintain your peace of mind, then you can take a good sleep. There is no disturbance. There is no nightmare, in the night. Okay, so I always do that. Before I go to the bed, I do meditation, and once I get up from the bed, I do meditations. Okay? Okay, so sleeping is very important. If you don't get a good amount of the sleep, then it's very difficult to do the meditation. Okay, so today I will stop here. I taught you about what is the meditation, then how to do the physical posture. Yeah? Then also I have shown you some factors which can affect to your meditation. So these are the things I have shared today. So tomorrow I will continue how to do the meditation. Okay? If you have any question, let me know. Then we will stop here. Okay? Good? Thank you.